Hi guys, and welcome to Coasting Castaways. So today, Barry and I wanted to share with you our part of our journey as we prepped for RV living full-time. And this is filmed a while back because this is while we were getting ready. As you can see, I am editing now, so I wanted to kind of let you know what you can expect from this video. So this is going to be getting rid of our belongings, moving out of our apartment, that type of thing. So I hope you enjoy the video. Give us a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Jennifer here. So today I decided to go through my closet to start downsizing, working on my clothes. So here's what I've come up with so far. I am going to have such a hard time with this downsizing part. Very easy. Easy for him to get rid of stuff. Me, I hold on to things. So we'll see how this goes. This is the closet I've been working on today in our bedroom. His side is still full. All these empty hangers, I emptied all those. So, voila! I've got that much space right now, but I still need to get all these taken care of. There's still way too much to have, so, but round one, and then we'll do it again. So in this next part of the video, you're going to see that we rented a storage building. It was a 5x10, just a small storage building, and we had some things we needed to put in there. Some furniture I wanted to keep, and some belongings we just didn't want to get rid of yet. So that's next. I've got some storage bins to still go through that's got my son Dylan's stuff from when he was growing up. I need to go through those. But as you can see from behind me back here, I've got some stuff for the yard sale. I'm getting really close. The yard sale is this weekend, and we're gonna get rid of a lot, as much as we can, but I'll still be downsizing after that as well. So in order to earn some cash for a lot of the things we were getting rid of, we decided to have a yard sale. It was a pretty good sized yard sale, and we had it at my parents' house. We finished the yard sale and made a little cash, got rid of a lot of stuff. As you can see, we have Goodwill stuff, but we'll still have more to get rid of, but this works for our first stage of downsizing. We now have an empty apartment, except for the sweet puppies. So the furniture that we are not storing, we are giving to our kids. And that U-Haul right there, in the rain, we are transporting that. We leave tomorrow, and Kentucky is sending us off with lots of rain and wind today. Back here, sold the Mustang, the fun car, but we'll have another one. He's getting all his stuff out. Well, we hope you liked the video today. Don't forget to subscribe. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And next time we will be shopping for our RV. and you'll get to find out what we chose. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on that video. See you next time. Bye.